Aw, isn't he the cutest thing you've ever seen? This little guy is an eastern kingbird fledgling. And I saw him fledge from his nest. First his brother or sister did, and then he did. And this little guy was just sitting here on this log, on this fence, and sitting there for a long time. I got close to him. I approached him, and he wasn't scared of me at all. But I photographed him a little, and then I backed off, and his mom flew in and fed him, and it was just great. And then again, here is what he will look like as he's older.